Hello guys, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture we are going to design the comment section, and previously, as you can see, we have designed and created this post Navigation, and we have completed that section. Now it's time to create this. So let's open up the comment post comment wrap. Here we have two divs, and the top div is for the comment that shows here, and the second div is for the create comment. First we are going to create this, so let's focus on the comment show div here. Open this div up. Now we are going to make a container. Basically it's a wrapper for the div which comes inside the comment show. So first we are going to create a wrapper. We are going to say comment wrap and save the file. Now the comment wrap will have two divs. The first div for this image and the second div is for the text and the title and the link, reply, like, and the timestamp. So let's add these two divs. Here you can see the first div is for the image and the second div is for the text and the like and reply link. So these two items is now, you can see here, is side by side. So for the side by side we are going to say make this a flex container. Now it will make this items a flex items. These items will now position side by side. Now the first div will have the div for the image, and we are going to say here image, and we are going to call an image here source, let's say Mizan. I've already mentioned my image JPG, and let's close this and let's see if it's working or not. It doesn't. Let's see what I've done. I didn't add image location, so we are going to say images folder. So we'll say images folder. Inside the images folder, go and select the Mizan.jpg. Refresh, you can see it is a larger image. Now the simply you can put the class that we have added before on this. If you scroll up, you will see we have added a class for the image. Sorry, here you can simply call this class and add this class here. If we save the file and now if we refresh it, you will see the image is displayed and the image class is working. Now inside the other div, what we have two divs. The first div is a top div and the second div is for the like and reply and for the timestamp. So let's add it. So this is for the image and now this is for the name and comment, and this is for the like and reply and timestamp. So simply here, let me scroll up. Here we are going to add another list. On our list we are going to add list items. Inside the list item we are going to add span. So span element, and the first span element has a value of like, and if you see here reply and the timestamp, and if you see here like has a dot after that span. So what we are going to do here, we're going to make a li here. Sorry, what we are going to do here, we are going to make a li here. Not much better. List item, another list item. Now this list item has a span and this span has a dot. So if I see here Yes, now this should has a capital L. So capital L. Now copy this from here, paste it here. Now this will be reply. Now copy these two and paste it here. Now this is for the 3-hour timestamp, let's say. Save the file. Now let's see in the browser what has happened. Yes, it has this and this and this timestamp. So if I hover this section, you will see icon is appear here. So it means it has a div here, and inside that div this icon is wrapped inside the div. So what we are going to do, we are going to create two divs. So here, if you scroll here, this section here, this div, sorry, here we are going to add two div. So these two divs will have a flex direction row. So first we are going to set display to flex. So we are going to add flex class here. This will be the flex container. Now we don't need to add the flex direction row. It will automatically add when we use display flex. It will defaultly make this item to display in a row direction. So let's save this, and now as we make this a flex container, now this div will have a span, and that span will hold a icon, and the icon class will be FAS FA hyphen EL ellipsis H hyphen H. So save it. This icon will be display here when we hover this element. So this div is for this icon. Now the div that hold the username and the text, which is the comment text, will goes here. So first we are going to add a class here. Class will be comment, and we'll say comment text, and inside the comment text we're gonna have to create two divs, and these two divs is this div. The first is for the name and second for the text. So make another div, and so the name of the first div will be comment name, and second one will have a class name of comment content. Now the name will have a span, and inside the span we have the anchor tag, and this anchor tag will have a name, will let's say Mizan, and this will be the anchor, and href will be hash. Now save it. The comment content will have a div, and this div will have a paragraph, and the paragraph, let's say this is our comment. So save it. Now let's see what we have done here. So we have added these two div inside the comment text, which is the name div and the comment content, and the top div is wrapper for these div, and it has this icon div also. So we have successfully added this, and we have added the like reply and the hour span here, and so I think we have pretty much done here. And let me see. Yes, and yes, and yes. So we have successfully created the comment show layout inside the HTML. So let's see if I refresh the page here. You can see this will like this. Later we are going to add the classes, so to align our item in our desired position. So that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.